Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about some of the financial things that they don't teach you in school. So, are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Let's face it, money matters, and yet many of us leave school without ever receiving any formal guidance on how exactly we should go about managing our money. It seems that the only lesson we get is spend less than you make, which, while true, isn't really enough information to build a secure financial life. Knowing this, why not take the opportunity to become proactive when it comes to taking control of your finances? No matter if you're just starting fresh out of college or looking for some advice as an experienced professional. Welcome to Finance Hub, and in today's video, I'm going to discuss the essential things they don't teach in schools about personal finance, from maximizing savings through setting achievable goals and investing wisely, so that ultimately everyone can achieve their own unique version of financial security. So hit that like button real quick and don't forget to watch the video until the end. Financial concepts needed to succeed in life go far beyond simply understanding the basics of budgeting and saving. While these are certainly important aspects of managing your money, there are also other skills and strategies that can help to make wise financial decisions. These include knowing how to create a realistic budget, understanding the importance of diversifying your investment, learning how to read and analyze financial data, making smart decisions about credit use, and much more. Creating a realistic budget is essential for good money management. This involves tracking your income as well as figuring out how much money you will need to cover for all your fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage payment, utilities, car payments, insurance payments, etc. Once your fixed expenses are accounted for, you will want to factor in any variable costs such as groceries and entertainment. From there, it is best to determine an amount that can be saved on a regular basis so that you have additional funds available for larger purchases or emergencies down on the road. Diversifying your investments is another important financial concept that isn't always taught in school. Diversification means spreading out the risks associated with investing by not putting all of your eggs into one investment basket. By diversifying across asset classes, which are stocks, bonds, cash, as well as different type of investments with each asset class, like domestic versus international stocks, investors can potentially reduce their risk while still enjoying the potential rewards associated with investing over the long term. Reading and analyzing financial data can also help individuals achieve better financial outcomes over time. Financial statements such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements provide detailed information about an organization's health and performance, which can be used when making investment decisions or evaluating potential business opportunities. Being able to understand what this data means can empower people with the knowledge required to make informed decisions regarding their finances. Finally, credit use is another area that isn't often discussed in schools, but is essential for developing successful financial habits. Credit cards have become a staple in many people's life, but using them responsibly requires discipline. It is important not just to understand how interest rates work, but also to stay mindful of payment due dates in order to avoid incurring late fees or damaging your credit card score over time from missed payments. Additionally, reliable sources such as consumer reports or independent reviews offer helpful insights into various types of credit cards so that consumers can make smarter choices when selecting a card that fits their needs best. Money is a taboo subject in our society. People grow up and go through school without ever learning the basics of financial health. This needs to change. We need to empower more people with the knowledge to make sound financial decisions. It is time for a new approach to money education. If you made it until the end of the video, make sure you hit that like button, share this with some of your friends, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also go the extra mile of ringing that notification bell and you will be notified with each new interesting videos just like this one. Thank you for watching the video. Keep supporting us and keep on shining.